Hi, welcome to this episode of the Data Beat. My name is Puneet Sachdeva, and in this episode, I'll cover some of the updates that have happened in the world of analytics. This week's update mainly covers Azure Managed Identity, which has recently been previewed for Stream Analytics and Cosmos DB. Our very own Niti Ayog launched NDAP, which is National Data and Analytics Platform, and we'll also talk about some of the benchmarks released by Intel and Databricks. As the host of the Data Beat, my aim is to bring the latest from the world of data analytics. Like always, it's a good idea to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notified about the new shows. Now, starting with this week's update. Number 1. Public preview of Managed Identity Authentication in Azure Stream Analytics and Azure Cosmos DB. Managed identity-based authentication is indeed one of the best ways for credential management. Azure further extended the list of managed identity authentication support by including Stream Analytics and Azure Cosmos DB. It's always a challenge to manage secrets and credentials, and managed identities help eliminate the need to manage credentials. Managed identities provide a secure way to authenticate applications. I repeat, secure way to authenticate applications only. One can use either the system assigned managed identity or your own user assigned managed identity for authentication. One just have to create a managed identity, grant adequate privileges to it, and associate the identity to the service. In this case, the managed identity needs to be associated to Stream Analytics with either Document DB account contributor or Cosmos DB account contributor roles. This managed identity capability is currently in public preview. Coming on to the next one, Niti Ayog, which is the policy think tank of Government of India, launched NDAP, which is the National Data and Analytics Platform. Now, some of you might think, what's new about it? India also had a portal called data.gov.in to get access to public data as released by various departments and ministries from time to time. Well, there were many challenges in that. The biggest challenge was of format and dimensional modeling. Earlier, departments used to publish dataset in various formats, HTML, PDF, images, etc. Also, departments used to capture and publish data as deemed relevant by them. For example, some might be publishing a district-wide data for each month, while another department may be publishing a city or a state-wide yearly data. Now, these issues of formats and gaps due to lack of common dimensions, including time, makes merging data from various departments very difficult and hence cause data leakage. So what has changed? NDAP ensures that all datasets have a common denominator of time and dimensions, thereby making the data all the more powerful for use. NDAP also takes care of ever-changing jurisdictional and geographical boundaries. There is a lot more to the platform. I've been trying to explore it for the past couple of days. It takes interoperability to a whole new level and allows cross-sectoral analysis feasible. For more details, I would prefer that you visit https://ndap.niti.gov.in. Coming to the third update, Intel and Databricks are partners who aim to bring the best of compute and data processing frameworks to make the data engineer's life easier. Recently, few benchmarks have been published which tells that by using compute with Intel Xeon 3rd generation processors and Databricks Photon, one can get 3 times price to performance benefit and about 6.7 times the speed up. Well, I plan to cover this in detail in the upcoming episode, so I would request you to hold on to it for a couple of days. I assure you it's going to be very interesting if you also appreciate technology just like me. It was a brief update this week. So in this episode, we talked about some of the major updates that have happened in the world of data analytics. As always, feel free to reach out to me through your comments. I am eager to learn from your experience and share mine with you. My intent is to simplify the concepts and bring them to you. If this helped you to build some understanding, then I think it's a good idea to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it on LinkedIn or wherever your peer group is. So until we meet next time, keep the beat flowing.